Are you having problems with Microsoft Office Hyperlink Engine not locating the Msohev Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error, and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Msohev Library, you can find a diagnostic tool for a thorough environment check. This is the Msohev Library, the Office HTML Editor Verification module. It manages unmanaged validation for HTML-based content within Office documents and Outlook emails, preventing cross-site scripting XSS attacks in localized media manifests. Let's get to work. We'll start with the most common fix for this specific error. Msohev belongs to Microsoft Office Hyperlink Engine bundle. Performing a full reinstall of the latest version of Microsoft Office Hyperlink Engine will restore this file and related components. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Msohev library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. A quick professional note on security. Sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Protect your digital life by ignoring unofficial download links for Msohev Library DLL that could lead to identity theft or the loss of important files. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. The link below provides access to a professional maintenance resource for reviewing Msohev library-related system data. I'm Sophie Chen. If we successfully restored Msohev library functionality for you today, liking this video helps other users find this solution. Subscribe for professional tech support